We are learning to break a word into syllables and use this to help us spell a word. I want to write the word holiday. I don't know how to spell it, so I'm going to break it into syllables and see if I can write down the sounds that I hear in each syllable. Holiday, holiday. Can you collect that word? Holiday. There are 3 syllables in the word holiday. So I'm going to try and write the sounds that I can hear in each syllable. The first syllable is hol, hol, h, ol, holli, I, holiday, day. This is how you write the word holiday. I worked out how to write that word by clapping the syllables and writing the sounds that I could hear in each syllable. Now I want to write the word letters, letters. Listen to the word letters, letters. Can you collect that word with me? Letters. There are 2 syllables in the word letters. Let's do the sounds that we can hear in each syllable. Let, l, e, t. Letters. Let's do the sounds we can hear in the second syllable. Ters, t, s. Letters. By listening to the sounds in each syllable, I was able to write the word letters. Now I want to write the word window. Listen to the word window, window. Clap it with me. Window. There are 2 syllables in the word window. Now let's listen to the sounds in each syllable so that we can write the word. Listen to the first syllable. Win, w, n. Listen to the second syllable. Do, d, o. Window. By listening to the 2 syllables, I was able to write the word window.